Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Facebook Messenger using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Facebook Messenger and tap your story. You can take a photo or you will just choose a photo from your gallery. For example, this one. Click the sticker icon and tap poll. Now, you can type a question. For example, if you're done, tap done. You can drag your poll and you can resize it. If you're done, tap your story. Now, let's see my story. Now, let's see my story. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!